my god, so fast.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gianni. Today I'm going to be doing a cold air intake install that I got from JLT Performance. I'm going to install it, see if it makes a difference or not. I know the stock cold air intakes on the Jeep that come already are really good, so I don't know if it's going to make a difference or not, but you know what? Screw it, we'll try it. It's another mod. I'm going to do it, and we'll see what happens.
The next day.
We're back at it, guys, with my moral support for doing an install that I have no idea what it changes or why it's useful or what he's doing, but he has a pair of blue gloves and a big box.
Hi.
Hi. Hello. So we'll see.
Let me get the gloves on.
Get your gloves on.
Gloves on.
Oh, you're the doctor. Oh, are you a nice doctor?
You a loco what?
Alright, so let me get what I need and a flathead screwdriver.
So, flathead screwdriver. Step 1.
What's up?
Huh?
So I gotta loosen this up. I'm gonna use my instructions.
Here, give me. Okay, give me.
Yeah. So I'm gonna loosen this bad boy up a little bit. Is it loose? Loosey goosey? Gotta unplug this. How do you unplug this? Oh, there we go. Do I gotta take this out?
The cops are. Welcome to Queens.
Alright, so I got that out. Gotta take this off. Also gotta take this piping off, actually. Oh, this is hot.
Well, just spilling out everywhere.
What? No, that should. There'll be no
It's
oil.
like, what if oil just starts spewing out everywhere?
There ain't gonna be no oil. This is cold air intake.
Air.
Yeah, it's just air, son.
It's like a filter. No?
Like a filter fish.
Like a filter fish. Should I stop filming this?
No, let's keep it going. All right. Oh, it's coming off.
Oh.
All right, we got one off. We got.
Nice. Show what you did.
So I got this off. You gotta take the 2 clamps off. Just loosen them up. Got them off.
Okay.
It's perfect.
Nice. How we looking? Okay.
All right, so I gotta get this PCV
Do you know what size
piping.
it is?
What size?
Like your arm cast.
I don't know.
Okay. Standard?
Sure.
Okay. Good job. Now this whole thing too?
Yeah, this whole box has got to come out.
Like a suitcase. What'd you just clip off? Oh, these like little...
Yeah, so right now I'm just taking this off. I'm just gotta untighten this. Take this piping off. Why is this thing moving around so much? It's supposed to be like that? This one doesn't move around. Alright, so I took the piping off, the PVC piping. Alright, I gotta get this box out. Get the box out, son. Let me get the box out.
Oh, so that's the cooling.
So what is this attached to? How is this attached right now? What is this attached?
Oh, it's inside. No, it's just like inside.
Oh, there we go.
A little jiggle jiggle.
A little jiggle jiggle.
So that piece goes in.
So this comes out.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me put this back on, just to make sure everything's all good.
You got new pieces for that, or you're just putting them back in eventually?
No. So my cold air intake is a different setup than this.
Oh, okay.
Alright. So we got that, and then I have to take this part out. Does it attach somewhere? Oh, it's attached over here. Wait, is it attached? It is attached. There goes my screwdriver. Screwdriver down.
Losing tools.
How do you get this out? What is this? It's like a little push pin? It's like a little push pin or something. I guess it keeps the box from moving.
So leave that in there then.
No, I gotta take this out.
Oh.
Why? It just won't come out. Just kidding.
His veins are popping.
The Hulk's about to come out soon.
Your vein, babe. It's literally so...
Is it popping?
Yeah, it is.
So we got this part out.
Okay.
There we go. All good.
All right.
All right, we got this. Took out the arm, took out the box. All right, guys, so the biggest pain in the ass was actually rotating this clip right here. If you could see it, the radiator clip for the radiator hose, it was over here on the side.
Okay.
Can you see it or no?
Yeah,
Let me get the light. So you see that clip right there? So it was to the side, like over here, and rotating that, you kind of just gotta pinch these two sides with the pliers, with the needle nose pliers like that, and then just rotate them over, and you want them straight up. That way you'll have no blockage when you put in the heat shield. All right, so then we're gonna be connecting the box for the new one right here. So let me just get this bad boy out.
What is that? Screw?
Yeah, it's like a push pin. I actually have one of those push pin removers at home, but of course I forgot it. You know, living in Queens, I can't just run home and grab it. It's my little garage, right in the parking garage. Ooh, you're right. I mean, I'm in my big $1 million mansion.
MTV crib garage.
MTV crib garage. All right, it's almost out. All right, so we're taking out the push pin over here that holds, see it? That's holding the washer fluid thing in. So I took that out. Now I'm gonna attach this over here, if I can, the heat shield. If I can get it lined up good. Which it seems like it's like snagging on something. All right, so I'm gonna get the push pin through here. Line this up. Get that back through. Is that in? Should be in. We got the box in properly. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt.
Yeah, it's definitely tricky.
But we got it. And then over here, there's a screw. That's where this piece probably comes in. Just, yeah, just tightens right there. Keep the box in place. Perfect. All right. All right, we got the box in place. All right, so now we're gonna get this piece, the push clamps, right here, just like that. Take these off. Dodge Durango.
Want to race?
Take it easy, guy. Okay, take it easy. All right, so we put this part over here with the clamp. Now we install this part. Let's get this. Okay, slide that in.
That's what she said.
Michael, please. There he is. Please.
Mwah!
Like a glove.
Looks good.
Whoops. Got the other clamp. Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Why don't you want to go? Why don't you want to go?
God, babe. This is my biggest nightmare, guys.
Look, look, see? Boom, boom, just like that. Just like that.
Okay, it's great.
Just like that. Look.
What's gonna go in here?
Hold on. Okay. Loosen up the clamp real quick, just so I can rotate it a little more.
Men can't multitask. You know, you ask them a question while they're doing something else, they can't. They gotta like.
What you talking about, Willis?
What you mean? All right, the sensor goes back in here.
Does it twist or just push it?
Just kind of twist it and push it in. Looks good. This pipe is going to connect over here to this.
Is it fully in, babe, the sensor?
Yeah, it's fully in. And this part is going to connect here. Let's see if I can get this on. There we go. Boom. Boom. Boom, son.
It's right here. Show me.
Still not done yet.
Come on.
Alright, so it's a little dark, but got the sensor in over here. There we go, got some light. Sensor goes in over here. Definitely looks a little terrible right now. Actually, I gotta fix this. Yeah, I definitely gotta fix that. And then the PVC piping hose goes over here. I'm gonna tighten down the clamps, and then we'll get the air filter on soon. Alright, so let me screw these in tight. I actually rotated the sensor over here. So I rotate the sensor. Before it was like coming this way. I rotate it over. So now there's a nice fit. See the hose in there. It's looking good. I'm just gonna tighten these clamps down over here, and then we'll get the air filter on. And yeah. It's quite a project, huh, baby?
Can you see that the
Yeah, it's quite a
night
project.
sky is, I'm talking to people, yeah, it's quite a project. The night sky is coming upon us. And we're still at it, guys.
Alright, clamps are tight.
Oh, it's a lampshade.
I'll wear it like on my head. It's beautiful though. Blue.
It's very nice.
And then I bought a nice little, what is this thing? It's like a protector for it, so no water, snow, or ice goes on it, because you want to keep these things dry. You want to keep them dry. Keep them dry. So I'll get this bad boy on too. So it should.
It's like a little bonnet.
It's a little bonnet, yeah. So we get this bad boy. Get this on just like that. Just like that.
Wow, this one is so much fancier than the stock one.
It's nice.
Yeah, definitely like worth the mod.
Now let me get the clamp on. Now I'll just get the filter in. Oh.
Is that a good lock?
Sounded like a good lock.
Oh, looks great.
Let me, where's the fucking clip? Where'd the clamp go? Dingy. Oh, it came around there. I got it. I got it. Have no fear.
That's just to keep it in place, basically.
Yeah, it's just to keep it in place. Watch the spots. So we'll keep it there. Tighten this bad boy down. All right, so we got it installed.
Nice.
Everything
Out
should
with
be
the
good to go.
old, in with the new.
I'm gonna give it a quick start up, see how it sounds. Hopefully no lights come on.
If a light comes on, I'm walking home.
If the light comes on, we'll both walk out.
I guess so, yeah.
Let's see what it does.
He's on this board. Don't do that, I was right there. Yeah, it sounded really loud. My job done?
Job's done. Good job, babe. Alright guys, so there's the JAT install.
Good job, babe.
There's gonna be a lot more stuff coming to the channel. If you guys like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I definitely have some plans for this thing. Let's say in peace. definitely have some plans for this thing. I'm going to be definitely doing some mods. Next thing coming is the lowering springs, so definitely you know, drop the ride a little more. But yeah, man, thanks for watching. See you next video.